The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
On Thursday, the president of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association, Jennifer Sindram, led a delegation in a meeting with Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, to discuss their long-standing demands. Following the meeting, Jennifer Sindram announced to the press that the government has agreed to form a special committee. This committee will include the Commissioner and Secretary of Education as chairman, the State Project Director of the SSA and other state government officials to address the association's concerns. Sindram stated that the association accepted the committee proposal to ensure their input is included in any final decisions regarding their proposals. However, she emphasized that the members will continue their sit-in protest at Mulki Ground in Shillong until their demands are fully addressed.
They have not yet give us the assurance on how much of the percentage will be calculated, but we will sit in the committee in which the outcome can be coming out.
So you will stick to 80% or you will come down from that 80%?
We will always stick to our demands, that is 80%, 2% and 5% improvement. The meeting for the members, this committee members will be held tomorrow.
And any time frame being given to this particular committee?
They as soon as possible. So means we'll sit tomorrow. If any recommendation comes up, we can put up tomorrow itself.
So by then, your indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue?
As of now, the indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue until unless we get the concrete thing which is related to our demands. First of all, as I've reiterated the words, that they have not included all the members all the non-teaching staff members in the proposal, of which we have seek clarification from our Commissioner Secretary this morning also, in which it will be withdrawn because there only some staff has been included, which is not very justified. Today, the kata kadaw ki ongba can form the committee, but hakata committee in long chairman he Commissioner Secretary Education. The member in long State Project Director is Jongi. Nang ta bat kibig members na State Education Commission na Deputy Secretary Education nang ta de na po samagra shiksha na do ka state hado ka district level. Andre ka terms and condition jong ani ka committee bide ka longkong ni. Ngan chu pule ka committee ka ban long banpen yakini ki examine lo yakini proposal mo yakini pakilapha yakini ki non academic staff juga SSA nang tade kahaban ka committee kahaban pet ban ya compare bat ki de ki society mo balong contractual ko mangihi nang ta pade ka committee pade ka deban penjak lo di kita ke jinglong mo ba ngi deban shim tang shitang shiliang na ki member ki jongi ndai ka deban inclusive of everyone na do ki cluster level ki block level ki district level hadu ki state level nang ta pade kita ki hierarchy jongka office ka jongi ka ba under the non teaching staff nang ta pade kini ki recommendation ni haban I know what Chief Minister Badan Beram Jungi Tingi yamut bang ngilayo ya kapur ban syam commissioner secretary begini committee member berok la syai kapur khatway beje. Dan ngila adab nang ta ngin sapha kini recommendation jangan ni committee ke jongi syai sya finance. Nang tapat in siyo ya ka recommendation ke jongi. But hakabaya day pada berkani ka jinga syong sit in demonstration. Kanumpat kot kat bangin pat yo ya kani ka demand ke jongi.